Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be doing the subtopic on algebraic fraction, which is substitution in fractions. Substitution in general means replacing a particular term with a given term or an expression. With a few examples, we are going to understand what substitution in algebraic fraction is all about. Our first example is this. If x over y equals 3 over 4, they said evaluate 2x minus y all over 2x plus y. What we simply do is this. Since we have x over y equals 3 over 4, this simply means x is equals to what? 3 and y is equals to what? 4. So s equals 3, y is equals to 4. We simply put the value of 3 in place of x here and the value of 4 in place of what? Y. So from this we have 2x minus y all over 2x plus y to give us 2. In place of x, I'll have what? 3. 2s simply means 2 times 3. So 2 bracket s means 2 times what? 3. Minus the value of y, which is what? 4. All over 2 bracket 3 as well, plus what? 4. This will give us 2 times 3 is what? 6 minus 4. All over 2 times 3, 6 also plus 4. Giving us what? 6 minus 4, which is what? 2. All over what? 10. And if I break down 2 years 1, 2 years what? 5. So the value of 2x minus y all over 2s plus y when s over y equals 3 over 4 is 1 all over what? 5. Our next example is a ratio b equal 5 ratio 3. So we shall evaluate 6a plus b all over a minus 1 over 3b. But we must take note, our b here is at the middle of this division sign. So therefore this 1 over 3b, which is 1/3 b, can be written as b all over 3. Don't by mistake say is 1 all over 3b. The b cannot be at the bottom, it must be at the top. That's the common errors students do make. So let's solve this. A ratio b equal 5 ratio what? 3. Simply means a is equals to 5 and b is equals to what? 3. Just take it according to how it is what being written, because a ratio b equal 5 ratio 3 is same as a over b equals to what? 5 over what? 3. And we can take a to be equals to this and b to be equals to this like we did in the first example. So this becomes a is equals to 5, b is equals to what? 3. We simply put it in this our expression, which is 6a plus b all over a minus b all over what? 3. Giving me 6 bracket value of a, which is 5, plus value of b, which is what? 3, all over what? Value of a, which is 5, minus the value of b, which is 3, all over what? 3. 6 times 5 is what? 30, or half plus 3, all over 5, minus 3 divided 3, 1. This becomes what? 33 all over what? 4. Can 4 divide? 4 will divide without a remainder. So I'll add this into this will give me what? 8 whole number 1 all over 4. Check 8 times 4, which is 16, 16, 32 plus 1, 33 all over 4. So these are what? Answer in mixed what? Fraction. So we have another example here, and it says given that x over y is equals to 2 over 7, evaluate 7s plus y all over s minus 1 all over 7y. This 1/7 of what? Y. So this can be written, this y can be written at the top because it's at the middle of this division sign. Please take notes. And it's a y question. So we have x over y equal 2 over what? 7. This simply means that x is equals to what? 2 and y is equals to what? 7. And we simply put the value of 2 for x in this expression and the value of 7 for what? Y in this expression, giving us 7x plus y all over x minus 1 all over 7 what? Y. Let me have my y at the top like I told you. So this will give me what? 7 value of x 2 plus 7 all over x is what? 2. X is 2, yeah, minus value of 7 y, which is 7 all over 7. 2 times 7 is what? 14 plus what? 7 all over this 2 minus 7 divided 7 1. And 14 plus 7 gives me what? 14, 7 gives me 21 all over 1. So the value of 7s plus y all over s minus 1 over 7y, given that x over y equal to over 7, it's Simply what? 21. Thank you. So we have another example here, which is if x equal 3w minus 1 all over w plus 2, they said evaluate 2x minus 3 all over 3x minus 1 in terms of what? W. Now we are given an expression, not just values, but an expression. So if we are to evaluate this, so we have w in our final answer, we have to replace our value of x here with this, so that our final answer will be inclusive. W will be inclusive in our final answer. So let's see how this can be done. We have 2x minus 3 all over 3x minus 1. So we have to put our value of x here, so that when we solve this, we're going to have our value of w. So our value of x is 3w minus 1 all over w plus 2. So this is 2 brackets 3w minus 1 all over w plus what? 2, close brackets, minus what? 3 all over 3 brackets. 3 brackets, the value of x, 3w minus 1 all over what? W plus what? 2, close brackets, minus what? 1. I'll use my 2 to expand this bracket, and I'll use my 3 to expand this bracket. So I have 2 times 3w will give me what? 6w, minus 2 times 1 is what? 2. Remember, you don't need to use this to multiply this, because this is like over 1. So 1 times 1 multiplying w plus 2 will give me what? W plus 2. I'll have my minus 3. Can choose to change this division sign to this. 3 times 3w will give me what? 9w, minus 3 times 1, 3, all over w plus 2 minus what? 1. This can be over 1, over 1. Now, my XM of w plus 2 and 1 will give me what? W plus 2 all over. W plus 2 divided by w plus 2 will give me 1. And 1 times 6w minus 2 will give me what? 6w minus what? 2. I'll put my negative sign. And since this is negative, I'll use my what? Square bracket. Always use it whenever there is a negative sign when you want to substitute. Now 1 into w plus 2 will give me w plus 2. So I have 3 brackets what? W plus what? 2. Divided by, I'll do the same here. My XCM remain, again, is what? W plus 2. W plus 2 into w plus 2 will give me what? 1. 1 times this will give me what? 9w minus what? 3. I'll put my negative sign and a square bracket. 1 into w plus 2 will give me w plus 2. W plus 2 times 1 will give me what? W plus what? 2. Now I'll try to use my negative sign to what? Expand. That will give me, this will give me 6w minus 2 minus, I'll leave the minus sign first, in brackets, 3 times w will give me what? 3w. And 3 times 2 will give me what? 6. Brackets all over w plus what? 2. Let me put my division sign here, please, based on space. So I'll have my what? 9w here, minus 3. Minus times plus is what? Minus w. And minus times plus is what? Minus 2. All over w again, plus what? 2. Now I'll have 6w minus 2, minus times plus is what? Minus, or I have 3 what? W. Minus plus is what? Minus, or I have 6, all over what? W plus what? 2. This is my division sign. I will have what? 9w minus what? Or let me just do my subtraction. 9w minus w will give me what? 8w. Minus 3 minus 2 will give me minus 5, all over what? W plus what? 2. I'll do the same here. 6w minus 3w will give me what? 3w. Minus 2 minus 6 will give me minus 8, all over what? W plus what? 2. Divided by 8w minus what? 5, all over what? W plus what? 2. If I change my division to what? To multiplication, I will have this fraction to be interchanged to give me w plus 2 all over what? 8w minus what? 5. This can cancel this, and I'll have 3u, 3w rather, 3w minus 8 all over what? 8w minus what? 5. So these are final what? Answer. But one thing I will want to say is this. Let's assume this is an examination and it's a theoretical question. How do we even know that our answer is correct? What do we do? So what we do is this. Let's pick any value to substitute here for w. Let me say I pick a simple value that would not make this to be equal to 0. Because if I choose to pick 5 over 8, it won't work. It will amount this to 0. So let me pick something like 1. If w is equals to 1, if I put it here, I'll have 3 times 1 to give me 3. And 3 minus 8 will give me what? Minus what? 5. 8 times value of w, which is 1, is 8. 8 minus 5 will give me what? 3. So I have minus 5 over 3 as my answer when I substitute w as 1. So I'll come to this place for x now. 3w minus 1 all over 3 plus what? 2. If I put my value of w here, it will give me a value. And I'll finally substitute it here. Whatever I have here must be equal to this minus 5 over 3, else my answer is what? Wrong. Now, w is what? 1. So I have x equals to 3 times 1 is 3, minus 1 all over what? 1 plus what? 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 all over 3. So I've gotten this as my value of what? X. But this is in terms of x. So in place of x here, this is what must correspond to this and this, which will give me what? 2x minus 3 all over what? 3x minus 1. This becomes value of x is 2 over 3. So I have 2 brackets 2 over 3 in close brackets minus 3 all over 3 brackets 2 over 3 minus what? 1. So I'll resolve this. 2 times 2 is what? 4. So I have 4 over what? 3 minus 3 over 1. I can put my division here to save space. This will give me what? 3 can cancel 3, so I simply have 2 minus 1. And this will give me XM of 3 and 1 will give me what? 3. 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 4, 4. Minus 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 3, 9. This will give me what? 1, which cancels that to give you, because anything divided by 1 is that same value. So 4 minus 5 will give me what? Minus what? 5 all over what? 3. This can be written as times 1 over 1 if you choose to, which gives you minus 5 over what? 3. So you see that this is equal to this. So therefore, 3w minus 8 all over 8w minus 5 is our result when we evaluate this, when x is equal to 3w minus 1 all over w plus what? 2. Thank you. So we have a question before us. It says s equal a plus 3 all over 2a minus 1. Express 2a plus 1 all over 3a plus 1 in terms of a. How do we do this? First, I would like to solve this x equal a plus 3 all over 2a minus 1 to give us a what? Single fraction. So let's do that. S will be equals to a plus what? 3 all over 2a minus 1. This can be over 1. XM of 2a and 1 is what? 2a. 2a into 2a, 1. 1 times a plus 3 will give me what? A plus what? 3. Put my negative sign. 1 into 2a is what? 2a. 2a times 1 is what? 2a. So I have x to be equals to a minus 2a plus what? 3 all over what? 2a. And a minus 2a will give me what? Minus what? A plus 3 all over what? 2a. This can be rearranged to have x to be what? 3 minus what? A all over what? 2a. Now, I can now put the value of 3 minus a all over 2a in place of x. Then I'll have 2 brackets 3 minus a all over 2a plus 1 all over 3 brackets 3 minus a all over 2a plus what? 1. Now I can expand. This can cancel this. If I choose not to do that, I can still use this to cancel this to have 3 minus a all over what? A plus 1 over 1 all over, nothing can cancel here, so I have what? 9 minus what? 3a all over 2a plus 1 over what? 1. LCM of a and 1 will give me what? A. A into a, 1. 1 times 3 minus a is what? 3 minus a. Plus 1 into a is a. A times 1 will give me what? A. I can now use this division sign here to save space. Now, LCM of 2a and 1 is what? 2a. 2a into 2a, 1. 1 times 9 minus 3 will give me 9 minus what? 3a. Plus 1 into 2a is 2a. 2a times 1 is what? 2a. So this can cancel out to give me 3 all over what? A divided by 9 minus 3a plus 2a will give me minus what? A all over what? 2a. So if I interchange, I'll have 3 all over what? A times 2a all over 9 minus a, which will give me, this can cancel this to give me what? 6 all over what? 9 minus what? A as my final what? Answer. So we have x equal 2a plus 3 all over 3a minus 2. We have to express s minus 1 all over 2s plus 1 in terms of a, and it's a y question. How do we do this? We simply put our value 2a plus 3 all over 3a minus 2 in place of what? X. So we have, this is our value of x, which is x minus 1 all over 2x plus 1. So in place of x here, I have what? 2a plus what? 3 all over 3a minus 2. And I'll put my what? Negative 1. This can be over 1. I'll put my division sign. I'll have my 2. In place of x, I'll have in brackets 2a plus what? 3 all over 3a minus 2 close brackets plus what? 1. This can be over 1. Now I'll solve the numerator, which is this upward, and the denominator this downward. Now that will give me LCM of 3a minus 2 and 1 will give me what? 3a minus what? 2. 3a minus 2 divide 3a minus 2 will give me 1, and 1 times 2a plus 3 will give me what? 2a plus what? 3. I'll put my negative sign. I'll put what? A square bracket. 1 into 3a minus 2 will give me 3a minus 2, and 3a minus 2 times 1 will give me what? 3a minus what? 2. Let's use this division sign here. 2 times 2a will give me what? 4a. 2 times 3 will give me what? Plus 6 all over what? 3a minus 2 plus 1 over 1. And I'll have 2a plus 3. Minus plus is minus what? 3a. Minus minus is what? Plus 2 all over what? 3a minus 2 divided by our LCM of 3a. Of 3a minus 2 and 1 will give me what? 3a minus what? 2. 3a minus 2 into 3a minus 2 is 1. 1 times 4a plus 6 will give me what? 4a what? Plus what? 6. Put my plus sign. 1 into 3a minus 2 will give me 3a minus 2. 3a minus 2 times 1 will give me what? 3a minus what? 2. This is plus, so it's not a must. I put my word square bracket. So I'll have this 2a minus 3a plus 3 plus what? 2. Rearranging this all over what? 3a minus 2 divided by, this will give me what? 4a plus what? 3a plus 6 minus what? 2 all over what? 3a minus what? 2. And 2a minus 3a will give me minus what? A. Plus 3 plus 2 will give me plus 5 all over what? 3a minus 2. Put my division sign. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. You attach your a. Plus 6 minus 2 is what? 4 all over what? 3a minus what? 2. So this can be rearranged to give me 5 minus a all over 3a minus 2 divided by, if I interchange this will give me what? 3a minus 2 all over, and this will change to multiplication, 7a plus what? 4, and this can cancel this, giving me what? 5 minus a all over. If I choose to change this, 4 minus what? 7a, and this is my what? Answer. But one thing you must know is that we can still check if our answer is what? Correct. How do we do that? If I put the value of A here, I'll substitute it here before I put it here. The answer for this and this button must be the same. Let me say A is 1. Because if I say 7 times 1 is 7 and 4 minus 7 will not give me the button to be equal to 0, because if I do that, it will be an undefined what? Fraction. So let A equal 1. If A is 1, I'll have 5 minus 1 to give me what? Which is 5 minus 1 all over 4 minus 7 bracket what? 1. 5 minus 1 will give me 4. 7 times 1 is 7. And 4 minus 7 will give me minus 3. So I have minus 3 over 4 when I use A as 1. So first, I must put A as 1 for X before putting it here. So I'll have 2 bracket 1 plus 3 all over what? 3 bracket 1 minus what? 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus what? 3. All over 3 times 1, 3 minus 2. This will give me 5 over what? 1, which is equals to what? 5. So X is equals to 5. I'll put it here. I'll have 5 minus 1 all over 2 bracket 5 plus what? 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. All over 2 times 5 will give me what? 10. 10 plus 1 is what? 4 all over what? 11. Where is our mistake coming from? Let's re-verify. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 7 times 1 7. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So this is correct. Let's check again. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. And this will give me 2 times 1, 2 plus this 3. So this is 5 over 1, correct. And I have 5 minus 1, which gives me 4. And 2 times 5, 10 plus 1. There must be an error. Error. We have a question again, which is S equal to A plus 3 all over 3A minus 2. We have to express S minus 1 all over 2S plus 1 in terms of A. So how do we do this? We have X to be equals to what? 2A plus 3 all over 3A minus what? 2. We have to express this in terms of A. So wherever I see X here, I'm going to put 2A plus 3 all over 3A minus what? 2. So let's start. So in place of X, let's assume I've put this already. I have my minus 1. This can be over 1 all over 2 bracket, the value of X, which is 2A plus 3 all over what? 3A minus 2, close bracket. This can be what? Plus 1 over 1. Now, we can see that these two, we can take our XM of 3A minus 2 and what? 1, which will give me what? 3A minus 2 all over. Now, 3A minus 2 divide 3A minus 2 will give me 1. 1 times 2A plus 3 will give me what? 2A plus what? 3. I'll put my negative sign. 1 into 3A minus 2 will give me 3A minus 2. Since it's a negative sign, I'll put brackets 3A minus what? 2. Then I can use this other side for that other expression. 2 times 2A will give me what? 4A. And 2 times 3 will give me what? 6. All over what? 3A minus 2 plus 1 over 1. So I can therefore take my XCM at this side. But this will give me what? 2A plus 3. Minus plus is minus what? 3A. Minus minus is plus what? 2. All over what? 3A minus 2. Divided by XM of 3A minus 2 and 1 will give me what? 3A minus 2. 3A minus 2 minus what? 3A minus 2 divide 3A minus 2 will give me 1. 1 times 4A plus 6 will give me what? 4A plus what? 6. Put my plus sign. 1 into 3A minus 2 will give me 3A minus 2. And 3A minus 2 times 1 will give me what? 3A minus what? 2. Now, I will have 2A minus 3A rearranging plus 3 plus what? 2 to give all over 3A minus 2 divided by, this will give me 4A plus what? 3A plus 6 minus what? 2 all over 3A minus what? 2. Now, 3A minus 2A. 2A minus 3A will give me minus what? A. Plus 3 plus 2 will give me what? Plus 5 all over what? 3A minus 2. Divided by 4A plus 3A will give me what? 7A. Plus 6 minus 2 will give me what? Plus 4 all over what? 3A minus what? 2. I can therefore rearrange to have minus a plus 5 all over what? 3a minus 2. If I change this to multiplication, these two interchange to give me 3a minus 2 all over what? 7a plus what? 4. This can cancel with this, and I'll have negative a plus 5 all over what? 7a plus what? 4. This can be rearranged so that positive sign will come first. So I have what? 5 minus a all over positive 4 plus what? 7 what? A. This is my what? Answer. But how do I verify that my answer is correct? I can choose any value that won't make this denominator equal to 0. Because if I use minus 4 over 7, I'll have this to be equal to what? 0. Now I can choose 1 for simplicity. So if I have 5 minus a all over 4 plus 7, 7a, if a is 1, a is equals to 1. Please take notes. If a is 1, I'll have 5 minus 1 to give me what? 4. And 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. And 7 plus 4 will give me what? 11. So I have 11 over 4 here. If I substitute the value of a here and put it here, what I have here must be equal to this 4 over what? 11. So a is what? 1. So if I use this, x is equals to what? 2a plus 3 all over what? 3a minus 1. A is 1. If I have 2 brackets 1 plus what? 3 all over 3 brackets 1 minus 1. Or have it as 2 times 1, 2 plus what? 3 all over 3 times 1, 3 minus 1. This will give me 5 all over what? 2. So the value of s is 5 all over 2, which I must put here. So I have x minus 1 all over what? 2s plus 1. X is 5 over 2. So I have 5 over 2 minus 1 over 1 divided by 2 brackets 5 over 2 plus what? 1. XM of 2 and 1 will give me what? 2. 2 into 2, 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Minus 1 into 2, 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. Longer division. 2 can cancel to have 5 plus what? 1. And this minus this will give me what? 3 all over what? 2. I can put this division sign now, and I have what? Or I put this division, I have my 6, which can be written as over 1. And this therefore will give me what? 3 all over 2 times I will interchange 1 all over what? 6. 2 here is 1. 3 here is 1. 3 here is what? 2. Giving me what? 1 over what? 4. Yay! Where is the error from? Let's verify, please. That's 2a plus 3 all over 3a minus 1 equals to. So this is supposed to be 2. And here should be what? 2. And this will give me what? This simply will give me 2 plus 3, which is what? 5. 5 over 1 equals to what? 5. So x therefore what? Is 5. So we have this as x minus 1 all over 2s plus 1 to give me what? The value of x now is 5. So we have 5 minus 1 all over what? 2 bracket what? 5 plus 1. So we have 5 minus 1, 4 all over 2 times 5, 10 plus what? 1, giving me what? 4 all over what? 11. So you see that this, which equals this, is equivalent to our final answer, which is 4 all over what? 11. So we simply get it right that 5 minus a all over 4 plus 7a is the value when we express s minus 1 over 2a plus what? 1 in terms of what? A, taking x as this. Thank you. So we'll come to an end of this very class. Thanks and God bless you.